The complete holder is in two parts and having three kind of movements. Holder is made of plastic and plastic quality is really looking good. This is mobile holder it seems, and this is main stand. You can fix it anywhere you want. Before watching unboxing demonstration, please like and subscribe me. This holder is having three kind of movement. Look at this movement. This is free now. You have to tight this like this. Now this holder, it will be attached with this. I am attaching, loosen the nut and push. I have to lose more. Push inside and again you have to tight this. It's very simple. You will see and you will do it your own. Now you have to fix anywhere where you want. I'm trying on this glass top. Oh, that's good. It is done. First I will fix mobile phone. Guys, I am also doing this first time. It is not going here. For fixing this, you have to press it full. It will lock. Now it is locked. Now I will place my phone here. That center black button, small button will press and your phone will be fixed automatically. Now my phone is fixed and phone is moving as per my choice. I can set it. This is working good. I will recommend this product. This is working very well and quality of plastic is also good and price is also reasonable. Friends, use and installation of this product is not a very big deal. Anybody can do this. This is highly recommendable from my side. I am going to fix it in my car and I will show you. Thank you. Hi friends, finally I have mounted this adjustable car phone holder. Before mounting I was very confused where should I mount it, but finally I decided I will mount it extreme left side of my car because I don't want to disturb my vision. That's the main reason. This is fixed very well. This is working well. Quality is good and attached is very solid. This is attached very solidly in my car. I am trying to remove it, but it is not being removed because it is fixed properly in my car. My phone is mounted there. So thank you. See you in next video. Bye.